Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. So I recently got a Pixel Experience custom ROM update on my Redmi Note 5 Pro, but I don't have access to PC. So in this video I will show you how to update a custom ROM without a PC. So you can update. So in this video I will show you how to flash or install a custom ROM with the help of a smartphone. So let's begin the video. So guys, for unlocking the bootloader of your Android phone, you will require a PC, especially for the Xiaomi phone unlocking the bootloader. But for the flashing of the custom ROM, you will require this kind of OTG. So I have a micro USB port phone, so I will use a micro USB adapter and a original data cable or a data cable that have data transferring capabilities. So now on your phone that you are using for flashing, just go to the Play Store and download the app called Bug-Jagger Mobile ADB. The link of this app is given in the description box below. So now what you have to do is, the phone that you are using for updating means the phone in which you want to flash a ROM. In that, just go to the system. After going to the system, just go to the about phone. In the about phone, just type the build number for 4 to 5 times. When you see now you are a developer, so just go to the system, just go to developer option, and after going to developer option, just enable USB debugging and just click here on the OK. Now what you have to do is, you have to boot your phone into recovery. So I am booting my phone into the recovery. So now my phone has been booted into the recovery. So here I am using a AOSP or Pixel Experience recovery, but if you are using a Orange Fox or TWRP, then you have to select the advanced option and then ADB Sideload. So here, if you are using a Pixel Experience recovery, then just go to the apply update. After that, select apply update from the ADB. Now the phone that you are using for flashing process, you have to open the Bug-Jagger application. In this app, you have to just go to this flash icon. Here on the flash icon, just scroll down below and select pick file and perform Sideload. So just click and don't say again, or just I understand. Now select the file. So here is my file, so I will select it. Now you guys can see that it is started to ADB Sideload and it's been preparing your file. So wait till it prepares. And before flashing and all that stuff, make your phone has about 30% of battery power left, the phone that are using for flashing, because it may drain up your battery. So yeah. So now as you guys can see that it started to just sideload my ROM onto my phone. So it will take some time. So I will catch you guys when the sideload completes. So my flashing of the custom ROM has been successful, or means sideloading of a custom ROM. So now I will just go back and just reboot my system. So here it is. This how you can flash a custom ROM with the help of a smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing it. So thank you for watching. Bye.